Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a locker, so you can put in the office or fitting rooms or any place you need to do. And let me give the overall dimensions first. Entire length of the unit is about like 35.5 inches. The depth of the unit is about like 15 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall height right now is almost about like 76.5 inches tall. And actually the bottom, they come with 4 legs. For the heights, they have slightly adjustable, so you can just change a little bit. And we can see they have 3 lockers on each row, and total have about like 8 rows. So total will be 24 lockers on this unit. And for each of the sections, the sizes will be about like 14.5 inches deep and 11.5 inches wide. For the access heights, they are almost about like 7 and 3/4 inches tall. For all the locker space is the same. And we can see they do have an individual space for you to put the locks on it for each of the sections. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.